guys, it's Heather here at Blossom Shop. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a tutorial on a single military braid. Okay, to start the braid, you're going to find the two end pieces of your ribbons. You're going to line it up like this, and then you're going to just make a little loop. You're doing this to make sure that you catch that white ribbon in the center and sandwich it in between. And then we're just going to place a staple. Our loop is going to be the size to basically fit this ribbon into. You don't want to have a loop bigger than that. So to start your braid, you're going to pinch, go forward, insert into your loop. Then you're going to come to your other side, grab your maroon ribbon, pinch, go forward. Now this is where we're going to start pulling the tails, is on this next move, and that's just to get your braid tight. You keep tension on your braid, but not too much. If you pull too much, then your braid will start to curl on you, and that's not what we're looking for in this braid. But you just continue the pattern of pinching your ribbon and pushing it through. You can make your loops bigger, it doesn't matter. It just means that whenever you go to do your next step, you just have to pull the tail more. The smaller your loop that you can get it in, the less you have to pull that tail. But either way, you just keep going until you reach your desired length. Just inserting your ribbon and then pulling the tension on that tail. If you pull too tight, or if you need to go back and loosen, just simply pull the tail and loosen off until you get to the spot where you need it correct, and feed it back through and continue on. All right, when finishing off my braid, I take the last loop as close to the tail as I can, and I push it through. I bring these ribbons up so that I can have a thick point to staple to. That way, whenever I'm securing my braids to my mum, if these braids are going to handle any cutouts or anything with weight, it has just more meat to hold on to. But you just nip the tips and cut off all your excess. Enjoy!